Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the recovery media and verifying firmware. Create a bootable USB with the Windows ISO or Surface recovery image. Use Rufus or Microsoft Media Creation tool so the USB is reliable. Make sure the Surface has at least 50% charge and that you've backed up personal files. Grab the BitLocker key and Wi-Fi password now. Once the USB is ready, insert it and shut down the Surface, because the next steps boot the device from external media. Once done, booting from the USB is the crucial middle step. Hold volume down and press power to force a USB boot. Release when the Surface logo appears, then choose the USB device. If needed, open UEFI and set USB as first boot device, then restart. When the Windows installer loads, pick Custom for a clean reimage. Delete previous Windows partitions if you want a fresh state, create or format the drive. Then continue with the installer, prompts to copy files, and install Windows. To finish, complete the out-of-box experience. Connect to Wi-Fi, choose account options, and let Windows update fetch drivers. Then install Surface-specific drivers if anything is missing. Make sure to re-enable BitLocker or restore files from backup. If the Surface doesn't boot from the USB or throws errors, recreate the USB on another stick, try a different USB port, and verify the recovery image matches your Surface model. If necessary, download and reflash the latest Surface UE.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.